this is the system. Why I just recall, because whenever we are growing, our fitness need to be managed. But how we are managing, it is really tough because every time we are running after the time. We say time नहीं मिलता साहब, टाइम नहीं है, मैं बिजी हूँ पीएचडी करने में, मैं बिजी हूँ वर्क करने में. So in this way, actually we are not taking proper care of our health. So ultimately, the government of India has given one concept, that is Fit India movement, that you have to go at least for 30 minutes workout per day for 5 days to 6 days. So, or the same amount, means 3 hours per week physical activity should be done, that is prescribed by the World Health Organization. So why? Because when you say about the health, this is a definition which I am not very much keen to really tell you. It is a complete physical, mental, social, emotional, spiritual, and environmental aspect of well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. When you speak about health, the simple concept or the very practical concept is, if somebody is tall, we say, "Are kya healthy hai?" No. If he is having any physiological problems, how you can consider him as a fit or healthy? No. That is a mental. He can be a very good physique, but mentally, if he is retarded, I'm sorry, maybe he is having mental issues, then he cannot be considered as a mentally fit. Then the social, how you behave in the society, that is another concept. I am extraordinary faculty member, but I cannot sit in the staff room. I cannot behave properly with the principal or the director, with the students. Then you are having definitely a social problem. You are unadjustable. Then it is the emotional. When I say emotional, this mental level, the psychological level, how much aggression or emotion you are having, that you have to control, and that you have to really release it off. Next one is your spiritual. We say, yaar main to bhagwan nahi manta hu. Perfectly all right. Trusting the God or having the spiritual aspect of anyone's life, at least those who are adult, they should have the spiritual life philosophy. Everybody should have, whatever the religion or the caste you are having, but it you should have. Now you can ask me, sir, what is the need? मैं तो भगवान मानता नहीं. Actually, when we go to a temple or a mosque or anywhere, what we learn, the first thing is the discipline. Then, if we are worshipping a god or goddess, it is a stone. It is a piece of stone. The curved stone doesn't speak, but we develop a concept like trust, belief, faith. So these are the spiritual aspect which everybody should have. We always say कि अरे बच्चों का अरे क्या करेंगे मंदिर जाके, मस्जिद जाके, नहीं जाना चाहिए, because you are developing other qualities of your life. And the environmental aspect, if you are living in a good environment or if you are living in a rotten environment, then you can understand the condition of the health. So health as such and needs all the factors to consider yourself as a fit or healthy. अभी हम लोग मॉर्निंग में निकल जाते हैं नौकरी के तलाश में, रात को 9-10 बजे तक हम घर आते हैं. बाय दैट टाइम यू आर ड्रेन्ड ऑफ, टायर्ड, and you want that you should get some food and sleep, but you are having a lot of pressure on your mind. Do you think you can really manage those pressure? Certainly not. So the mental health is a state of well-being in which individual realizes his or her abilities, can cope up with the normal stress of life, can work productively and be able to contribute his or her community. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. So you can understand the emotional aspect, the psychological aspect, and the sociological well-being is much important for your mental health. घर में आया, आप घर में जब जाते हैं, आपके मिसेस अगर एक गिलास पानी लेके आते हैं या शरबत लेके आते हैं और गर्मा गर्म चाय बना के आपको सर्व करते हैं, your emotional level is so happy. You cannot really believe कि how it has happened without giving a directives. कुछ बोला ही नहीं और फटाफट से ये हो रहा है. How happy you will be. And if it doesn't happen, and if your wife or your children direct you, पापा एक गिलास पानी देना, then मजा आ जाता है. Psychologically you get so depressed कि throughout the day I am working, and again at the home also I am working like a slave. But it is the mindset again. You can really enjoy. बेटा ने बोला yes बेटा मैं ला रहा हूं पानी आपके लिए. So it will give another vibe to the children. It affects how we feel, how we think, and how we act. हमें आप अगर बोलते हैं कि आप ये काम करो, मैं देखूंगा इससे मेरा क्या नुकसान होगा और मेरा क्या फायदा होगा, आप कर लो एक बार. मैं कहता हूं कि आप एक बार कर लो, करके उसको एंजॉय करो. उस काम को एंजॉय करेंगे कैसे? आपको बोलते हैं कि आप ये कुर्सियां उठा के उधर रख दो. Why he is telling me? फर्स्ट ईगो हमारा ये साइकोलॉजी ये इमोशन चालू हो जाता है. मेरे को क्यों बोला इतने कर्मचारी होते हुए? If you think this way, then your feeling will increase and your act of behavior will be absolutely rotten. खड़ा हुआ मिलेगा आपको. On the other way, अगर हम लोग सीधा सीधा ये करते कि चले मेरे को बोला ये चेयर उठा के रखने के लिए, अगर इतना मैं चेयर उठाता हूं तो मेरा एक्सरसाइज हो जाएगा. Now the mode has changed, the gear has changed. Now your mind, your brain, your heart will act accordingly to really relish the situation or to really relish the work. So these are the health and mental health, which the physical and the mental level, if we cannot really balance it, the wellness will never come. हम लोग बोलते हैं कि wellness होना चाहिए, health and wellness, perfect. What is wellness? It is a conscious mindset, a predisposition to adopt series of key principles in varied life areas that lead to high level of well-being and life satisfaction. Please receive the call and mute yourself. So when we speak about the wellness, it is a conscious mind setup. I just consider it as a mind setup, how we really place our
voice is breaking.
Think or feel or act accordingly. So the mental wellness is a state of the emotional, the psychological well-being in which an individual is able to use his or her cognitive and emotional capabilities, function in the society, and to meet the ordinary demands of everyday life. So if we can fulfill all the need, may it be a cognitive, may it be emotional, or may it be the society's need, or maybe the personal or the emotional, any need, if we can fulfill, then we can say that yeah, we are mentally well. So for this, we need to know what wellness is. In wellness, it is a physical wellness, mental wellness, social wellness, spiritual, intellectual, emotional, environmental, financial, occupational, medical wellness. So there are n number of things which really needed for yourself to be well. Physically, you can be well. For the physical wellness, what you have to do? You have to release the stress. You have to do all the physical activities to keep yourself body perfect. Taking the food, sleep, and even it includes the sexual activity also, because these are the part of the physical wellness. Then the mental wellness. In mental wellness, what we do, already I have told you, mentally we should be well. Then the social, in the society also your wellness is needed. Then spiritual, I told you, intellectual wellness. Again, being a teacher, being a professor, what exactly is needed is you have to have some intellectual thoughts or to study. You must study something or the other so that your intellectual capacity remains or it remains well. Then the emotional wellness, you know, environmental, I told you, the financial wellness. When I say financial wellness, it means taking steps to live within your financial means. Whatever the salary you are getting, if you are getting a too much less salary, can you imagine that I'll be healthy or I'll be well? No, because you cannot fulfill your daily need. So even if you are getting much higher salary, maybe in lakhs, if you don't know how to really manage it, the day when I got the salary, if I go to a bar or if I go to a 5-star hotel or if I take a ticket to Goa and finishes off the salary, the very next moment you need a budgetary deficit. So the financial wellness has to be well planned. The financial aspect should be there. How to spend? Suppose you have the kids, age maybe 10, after 8 to 9 years, maybe they need a huge amount of money for their education purpose. If you don't plan it now, then you will be the sufferer after 8 or 9 years. Then the occupation wellness. This is the most important thing. If I go to the institute or the college and if my colleagues are not having a good relation with me, then you can understand what is going to happen. You will be dying the whole day. आप सारा दिन भर तरसते रह जाएंगे, मरते रहेंगे आप, क्योंकि because majority of the day time you are spending in your profession. So in the occupational wellness, we have to maintain this occupation. If you are in the teaching, we all are in the teaching, then we need to have a good relation with the colleagues. Number one, all the staff members, all the technicians, even the class 4, even the security people. And last, not but the least, is the most important is your students. And the medical wellness, already I told you, in the medical wellness, one thing, this is my appeal, everywhere I am just speaking, we need to have a fitness card. If you maintain this much of fitness, compulsory fitness, you can avail all the government dispensaries or the government medicine. If not, you should not be entitled. Then you have to purchase. So in this way, we can really maintain this holistic approach of wellness. सुनने में बहुत easy लग रहा है, but it is really tough. So if you can have all those things in your early part of your life, you might be dancing like these girls of MNIT who used to enjoy when they are student. So what I mean to say, holistic approach of wellness should be taken absolutely care of. And being a teacher, if you don't really inculcate this concept, आप जाते हैं क्लास में, इक्वेशन बताते हैं, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं, it is perfectly all right that even they can do it. But if you don't really mold them to have a nice personality, I don't believe that they can be a good citizen for our country and for the world. Now, for that reason, we need to have a very good human lifestyle. What is the purpose of life? It is to live and like to live. Lifestyle is expressed in both work, behavior, leisure, and social pattern we do. Now you can understand lifestyle is having what is there in our motives. हमारा क्या सोच है? What we want, what we feel. With those things, it culminates into our happiness and peace of our mind. कुछ लोगों को 5 स्टार में खाने का मजा आता है, so they visit the 5-star hotel. कुछ लोगों को 30 में also called the roadside vendors food, they like it. Maybe it is good for them because they are happy and they are in peaceful. So lifestyle elements consists of the healthy diet. Then the most important is the regular physical activity, brain activities, all the intellectual things, the social activities, and regular doctor visit. This I usually avoid. If you are not keeping a healthy body, then definitely you need to visit the doctor and avoid risky behavior. Is overtaking some car, overtaking anything. These are all risky behavior. Jumping from a high top wall. What is the need? If you can come down without taking a risky behavior, then you can leave. So lifestyle chronic diseases. There are lots of diseases. Now the disease, we are mentioning it as a lifestyle chronic disease, but mind it, it is called hypokinetic disease. Hypo means less, kinetic is exercise. Due to the lack of exercises, lots of diseases are coming into this world. Those are the sedentary lifestyle, consumption of processed food and drugs, which if you can say no to the processed food and drugs, maybe I'll be blessed. Increased psychological stress. See, the stress will be taking it very elaborately, so I not disguise over here. Excessive hygiene and through the exposure of environmental toxins and pesticides in foods. So this COVID has taught us how to clean the food and the vegetables properly. That is the best part of COVID lockdown period. Now there are a lot of things for the healthy lifestyle. Exercise regularly, limit unhealthy food, take multivitamin supplements if needed, then drink water. How much to take? How many liters of water we need to really take? At least 3 to 5 liters of water every day you need to take. And avoid sugared beverages. Those are all the junky drinks available in the market. May it be any cola, Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, I don't know, the other 7 So these beverages should be stopped because it is directly a source of sugar. You will get, for the time being, you will get a good kick from the inside. Yeah, that is true. But at the same time, you will be gaining body weight. So measure and watch your weight, not every day, but at least 15 once in a month or maybe twice in a month. Reduce sitting and screen time. This may be being in the technical institutes, you cannot. But the best thing is if you can really reduce it, it is good. Good sleep, at least 6 to 8 hours sleep is needed. Go easy on alcohol and stay sober. If you consume alcohol, maybe most of us or most of you are taking alcohol. But what I mean to say, even if you are taking alcohol, please don't drink alone. Number one, don't consume too much. Too much there is no any definition. उसका कोई परिभाषा नहीं होता है. People take a single pack, they are through. People take 10 pack, even they are not through. So the level you have to decide, because again it is a good source of energy. And it is the spoiler of your heart and lung. The moment it starts, the alcohol starts eating or drinking you, then you will remain nowhere. Say no to drugs. Drugs is another factor which the young students are often using just to try, just to give a try. And being a parent, parents try to understand, and even being a teacher, you can really give a counseling to the students why they should take the drugs or they should not take the drugs. The demerits of taking the drugs are a number of things. Even if you ask to prepare a slide or a presentation on drugs and let them to show it in the class, how does it matter? It will help the children to know only the wrong things of the demerits of the drugs on the health and the negative lifestyle which we are abusing our health. Every day we are abusing by not doing any physical activity. Even the female staff members, they can say that after the office or the college or institute hours, we go to the home and we have to cook our food. Perfectly all right. There also you can do some modified activities. That is a challenge. And at the end of the day, you are earning a good, handsome salary. Do you know in that particular amount of salary, how much, what is your portion? आपका कितना हिस्सा है? If you are maintaining a family of 4 members, it is 1/4 no. 2/3 no. Then from your salary, आपके काम करने वाली बाई, housemaid, she is having her own stake. Your wife, your children, everybody has their own stake from your salary. But if you earn your health, no one can share it. No one can take it. The day when you are on the bed, if you are sick, then you see the fun. The house will be ruined. Being a mother, you can see that the house is ruined. No one can take proper care of themselves, nor they can take care of you. So don't be too sedentary. Having an unhealthy diet is another cause. पुराना खाना, market से खाना, बाहर से food मंगाना, packed food लेना, this is not a healthy diet. And the sleep. If you are not getting enough sleep, smoking, alcohol, then self-harming. Self-harming, you can understand because you are matured enough. Taking unnecessarily harm risks, for example, having unprotected sex, driving over speed. These all are really very, very emotional things. If you can really control your emotions, it is the best thing. If not, then you will be having the emotional strain in your mind. So these all are the unhealthy lifestyle which increases your stress, trigger your depression, that results in obesity, that lead to coronary heart disease, increase the chances of your cancer, diabetes, osteoporosis, muscle tone and posture. Then muscle tone and posture, you might be thinking that मेरा कमर में दर्द है. That is the same thing. If you don't have the proper muscle tone, the posture will be deformed to any side. कुछ भी pain होता है, it is because of the poor posture mostly. Unless until you got injured. Then result in more falls in the older person. if you are your parents, you might have seen that if they are unfit, they fall. Reduce life expectancy. आपके जीने का उम्र घट जाएंगे. So why to take this chance? The unhealthy lifestyle. So to overcome this unhealthy lifestyle, what we need? We need the real mental health. अगर mental health ठीक नहीं रख सकते हम लोग, कोप अप नहीं कर सकते सिचुएशन को, हमारा इमोशनल या एंजाइटी या डिप्रेशन में हम अपने आप को ले आते हैं, तो क्या होगा? वी विल बी सफरिंग एवरी डे एवरी टाइम. आप अपने आप के ऊपर पूछ सकते हैं क्या मेरा कोई भी साइन एंड सिम्टम है या नहीं. अगर है तो शायद ये नेक्स्ट स्लाइड्स विल बी रियली एंजॉयबल. यू कैन आस्क, क्योंकि आपका डोपामाइन अगर नहीं है, डोपामाइन अगर रिलीज नहीं होता है, द हैप्पी हार्मोन, देन ऑलवेज यू विल बी रिलीजिंग द सेरोटोनिन, also called the stress hormones. तो आप ऑलरेडी स्ट्रेस में रहेंगे. अगर स्ट्रेस में हम रहते हैं, so what we do, this is a very good quote by the Socrates. हम क्या करते हैं? एक साइकोथेरेपिस्ट के पास जाते हैं. This is a trend. I couldn't understand कि what they are speaking about. My daughter, she's studying only in the 3rd year. My son is in US. He's serving now after completing his Michigan PG, MS. My daughter, she's telling, my friend went for therapy. I said, therapy? What happened to him? Is he got injured? No, you don't know what is therapy? I said, no. It is psychotherapy. Psycho they are not using, they are using the word called therapy. मेरे बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ, क्यों गया? He's under depression, he's under pressure, a lot of stress. So being a doctor, what will do? Because there is a queue of patient. So everyone wants to tell you what to do. आप जाके बोलेंगे, आपको बोलेंगे तुम ये करो, तुम ये करो, तुम ये करो, but they won't listen what exactly you need. वो आपका समस्या को निकाल नहीं सकते. This is what exactly is happening, and you are a regular visitor. By the time you are reaching to a psychotherapist or a psychiatrist, or for stress you are speaking to a doctor, I'm very sorry, I'm using a very harsh word, that you are already having a sign of madness. आप पागल होना शुरू हो गए. Please try to overcome, be happy, be enjoyable, and that is possible when your mind setup, that is wellness concept you are taking. So the positive mental health allows people to realize their full potential. आपकी जो क्षमता है, मेरे को एक प्रोजेक्ट नहीं मिला, why I should worried about? I didn't got first class first or gold medal in my class. How does it matter? Those who are getting the gold medal, do you think they are having better life than you? No. Cope up with the stress of the life. If you are mentally positive mental health, if it is there, then you can cope any stress of your life. Work productively. You will work like a king. Make meaningful contribution to your communities. That is important. Whenever we are contributing to our own communities, I think that is the most happiness position of our life. Because when you see them, they will smile, they will give a smile. After almost working for 28 years, When the students, now they have grown up, those people, when they come visit me, then I realize, yeah, they will tell you that these things, apart from the book or the course, those things what you taught us has really given a age in our life. So that is how you are really contributing. कंट्रीब्यूशन ये नहीं है हमने अपना सिलेबस पूरा कर दिया. कंट्रीब्यूशन वो है अपार्ट फ्रॉम द सिलेबस आप अपना लाइफ का बेस्ट थिंग कैसे स्टूडेंट्स को या अपने सोसाइटी को दिया. दोज आर योर कंट्रीब्यूशन. रेस्ट एक्चुअली दे आर परचेजिंग फ्रॉम यू. दे पे ट्यूशन फी. We are getting the salary from their tuition fee only, and we are teaching them. So you must know how to really contribute. Contribute करके देखिए आप, फोटो उठाने के लिए नहीं. फोटो उठाया फेसबुक में डाल दिया, यूट्यूब बना दिया कि I have donated this. No, it will not give you happiness. So ways to maintain the positive health: connect with the others. When I say connect with the others, if you don't have a good friend, irrespective of the sex, neither male or nor female, if you are having a good connectivity with the people, then your life is absolutely on the pink. You can really enjoy every pinch of your lifetime. Staying positive, don't take negativity. Actually, when you start negativity, then you will be a liar basically. And once you are a liar, then your family will be a liar. You are producing or you are growing a negative family. Getting physically active, helping others, getting enough sleep, and developing coping skills. So these are the ways how you can really maintain a positive health. Now you can see, as I have told you, this girl who is having a rifle on her hand is none other than Avni Lekhara, who won the Olympic, Paralympic gold medal and a bronze medal. When I told you now the happiness, yesterday she called me, we spoke almost 2 hours, more than 2 hours even. And then she took the privilege to talk to my daughter also. They had met only once. Now you can ask me, this is the contribution. I haven't charged not even a single paisa or a penny from her. मैं free coaching दिया. So after almost 6 years of my training, now this is a reward where whatever I say, she will accept it, obey it, and will give a gentle smile. Yes, sir, करेंगे. This is the happiness. So I have earned it by contributing to the society. So these, when we work with this type of category people, the para category, the physically disabled people. On my right hand side, it is a absolutely new picture. In the month of July, this guy or this girl, they don't have the lower portion. Avni cannot control her natural calls. Can you imagine what is the condition of her? And she won the gold medal, and she earned at least I think 6 to 7 crores of rupee. Got a government job. Everything she is having now. She's well off, better than me. But if I feel I'm jealous because how she can earn that much of money when I have taught her. My job is to train the people. I should be a trampoline. The person who can give me a real kick, they will be on the top. So these people need a lot of mental toughness. So already in the COVID pandemic times or the difficult situations, you have proven yourself that you are mentally tough. So in mentally tough, again, we need to know the motivation and the commitment. There should be always a motivation. कोई भी काम करने के लिए आपके एक ना एक मोटिव होना चाहिए. Without any motive, you can't really move. And the commitment. अभी भी आई एम वेरी श्योर कि हम लोग डिलीवर कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग सुन रहे हैं, कुछ लोग ऑन करके अपना घर का सारा काम कर रहे हैं. That is true. Because you are not committed. You are interested because you will get some credits. Or this type of course will help you to get the promotion. Then the second quality is the resilience quality. Sports actually teaches the resilience quality is a bounce back. How you bounce back from the defeat. There is no any defeat in the sports. Do you know? Those who play, it is fine. Those who haven't played, for them, sportsmen never lose. When I say they never lose, I mean they always learn that in this process, if I play, I may lose the game. So it is always win-win situation. And the mentally tough people are having self-belief and optimism. Always they have the 100% belief on themselves. अवनी जब प्रैक्टिस करती थी, अगर मैं पूछता था कि ये करेगी, हाँ सर आप बोल रहे हैं तो मैं करती हूँ, कर लूंगी. And she used to do it. Then the positive perfectionism. We always have to have the concept of perfectionism. अच्छा करना 100% correct होना चाहिए, but don't be after it. It'll work for the best and betterment. But try to understand that is your aim. Once you attain the 100%, the level, the aim actually goes up. So पॉजिटिव परफेक्शनिज्म की तरफ रहना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को परफेक्ट होना है. आई वांट 100% परफेक्ट थिंग्स. मे बी इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल इन एनीवन्स लाइफ. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज योर फोकस. इफ यू आर नॉट फोकस्ड और इफ यू आर नॉट कंसंट्रेटिंग, then yeah, I'm going to the college to take the class. I don't know if the students are not there. I'll miss the class. I'll be happy that if they are not there in the class, or I will instigate the students to just run away from the class, as because you are not focused into the topic or the course. And the last one is your handling pressure. The most important part when there is any debacle in your life, when there is any downfall, then how you handle the pressure. I don't believe that you have seen the match. Avni, when she won the bronze medal in 50 meter 3P match, it is called 3-position match. She was competing with a girl who is twice gold medalist of the same event. And both of them were struggling for the bronze medal. Avni took no time to shoot 10.5. I was watching it with my daughter. Then I said she won the medal. Then after watching maybe her score, a good shot, the opponent could not score. It is only the difference of 2 points, 0.2. So handling the pressure in different critical situation of your life shows your mental toughness. Whether you are mentally tough or not, that is the biggest issue to really sustain in this competitive world. Now, for this type of mental toughness, you need to have an attitude. हम लोग अक्सर बोलते हैं उसका एटीट्यूड बहुत खराब है. What does it mean? It is a set of emotion, belief, behavior towards a particular object, person, things or event. एक आदमी का एटीट्यूड आपके प्रति खराब है, मेरे लिए खराब नहीं है, because his emotion or his belief or his behavior towards me is very good. So how we can conclude it? So it is a result of experiences or upbringing, and they can have a powerful influence over behavior. So those who are having positive or the negative affect a person's behavior. If you are behaving positively, हमेशा एक स्माइली फेस बना के अगर आप चलते हैं, so your attitude is good, people will love you and people will be after you, and the mood always swings in the better side. But you know, this attitude, sometimes if you are close to the negative people, the mood will always a swinging. आपका मूड ठीक नहीं भी रह सकता है, because the negative vibes are there always. You'll be starting thinking कि what will be his attitude, what I will react in this way. So an attitude may be defined as an internal affective orientation explaining an individual's action. May it be a cognitive, affective, evaluative or coactive. So you must have that attitude. So here also your attitude or the internal thought process, I should say the internal thought process should be positive in itself. If not, then it is real tough, I believe. Then is the self-esteem. आप अपने बच्चे को पूछ के देखिए, तुम्हें ये पता है? I don't know. ठीक है? किसी बच्चे को भी पूछो और अगर उनके कन्वर्सेशन आप सुनेंगे, नहीं पता नहीं, I don't know, I'm not very sure, I don't know what went wrong with me. Their self-esteem, that is a subjective sense of their personal worth or value. They cannot rate themselves. अरे क्यों गिर रहे हो तुम? तुम्हारा क्या बिगड़ गया? What is wrong with you? Nothing. But I don't know. I know. It's like absolutely you are going to the lowest in characteristics. So you have to develop that self-esteem to a next level. Everybody needs it. You have to be a little bit extrovert. Being a teacher, we never speak about ourselves. Very less people speak. Those who are educated, those who are having a depth of knowledge, they never speak about themselves. So you must know to appreciate and like yourself regardless of the circumstances. आप अपने आप को खुश और appreciate करना चाहिए. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? कोई भी चीज खराब होता है, क्या मेरे से ये भी नहीं होता है, बेकार है सब. And you might have seen that those cricketers, those who are very youngsters, उन लोग का अगर आउट हो गया तो बैट लेके पैड में मारता है. Usually the racket player, they hit on their legs. I say why you are hitting? Are you two sides of a coin? आपका दिमाग कोई सोच रहा है, हाथ कुछ और है, पैर कोई और है. पैर की गलती से आपने क्या मैच हारा या गेम हार गया? So these self-esteem actually you can inculcate if you participate in the outdoor sports activities. So the person's overall sense of his value or the worth will be always there, because it will be values they can understand. The appreciation कहां मिलेगा? किताब पढ़ने से, केमिस्ट्री की लैब में काम करने से, या किसी भी लैब में काम करने से? No, they have to compete. So to compete, they have to have their self-esteem, high self-esteem. So those who are having the high self-esteem characteristics, their behavior, their way of thinking, their positivity, everything will be in the good side, other than the low esteem characteristics people. So how to increase the self-esteem? There are a lot of self-inventory available in the net. You can take a test. Now the question is, even after taking a test, you know that maybe you are having low self-esteem or maybe high. But if you want to really increase, set a realistic expectations. Your expectation level and the achievement level should be very close. आपने भी सुना होगा कुछ आम जनता, so called very mediocre student, they go to write the exam. आप उनसे कभी सवाल करके पूछो how much you will get, नहीं कितना आंसर किया, सारे किया, कितना मिलेगा, शायद उतना ही मिलेगा. मार्क्स कितना है एक्चुअली 60%, maybe 50%, maybe failed. So they don't know how to set a realistic approach. For example, in sports, suppose a person is in javelin, one is throwing 60 meters. He comes to a very good and extraordinary Olympian coach. He asks, sir, I need your support. You just teach me. I want to throw 90 plus. Do you think it is possible for him? Maybe, may not be. Mostly it is not possible because the high expectation will always damages your mentality also. Stop being a perfectionist, which already I have told you. Then explore yourself. Try something new. Why I say try something new? The sports teaches you a lot of exploration. ये शॉट अगर मैं लेफ्ट हैंड से नहीं मारता या बैक हैंड से नहीं खेलता तो मैं राइट हैंड से अच्छा शॉट चलाता. So you are exploring in every new situation because in sports every situation is new, but not in the education. It is set pattern. If you do this, it will happen. Unless until you are going for any chemical reactions or coding or decoding anything. Be willing to adjust your self-image. You should have the quality of self-adjustment. With the age, you have to change yourself. Then stop comparing yourself to the others. That is the biggest flaw of our teaching or so-called preaching in the society, in the family, and why not? तुम्हें अच्छा, you got 90%. That girl got 98%. Very bad. So comparing the person, if you compare, with whom you should compare? If you want to really compare with anyone, that is yourself. Compare with yourself and go up and up. That is the best way you can really teach. If you cannot go up, आपका self appreciation नहीं कर पा रहे हैं आप लोग, then at times, if the expectation level is and the achievement level having a difference, then you will fall into the word called aggression. गुस्सा आएगा आपको. मैंने सोचा था 100 में 98 लाना है, मैं लाया सिर्फ 60, मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा है. It is the range of behavior. The aggression is the range of behavior that can result in both physical and the psychological harm to yourself, others, or object in the environment. So it is really a physical and the psychological harm. What you will do? Maybe you can punch somebody, maybe you will shout on somebody, you will fight, maybe you will kick, knowingly or unknowingly. So these all are the aggressive behavior which will come up automatically. So you must learn or teach your students how to control this aggression even. So in no part you can be hostile or having harmful tones. आप जब बात करते हैं आप ये नहीं बोल सकते तूने ऐसा क्यों कर दिया, why you are doing like this. Don't shout. If you are teaching this college level students, the adult people, make them to realize. Just ask one question. If you would have been in my position, what will be your judgment in this case? They'll come up with some answer. You have to go close. Develop a trust. If you develop a trust, he will be loyal, he will be faithful, and lastly, he will love you. That is the most important aspect. A faculty member, I'm giving a very live example of MNIT only. He saw a student who comes to the playfield, touches my feet, and start practicing. Whatever I say, he does it. He was observing. The very second or maybe the third day, he said, सर ये बच्चा क्लास में मेरा क्लास इतना डिस्टर्ब करता है, आपके यहाँ आके एक बात भी नहीं बोलता है, चक्कर क्या है? So I couldn't reply him really, because he's good, his attitude is good in the playfield, so why I should? Then I said, okay, fine. Then I called the guy. When the faculty left, I told him that tomorrow onwards in his class, you'll sit in the either first bench or maybe second bench. You sit in front of him, you will not open your mouth, and whatever he teaches in the evening, you will tell me. Though he's from some engineering department, I will not understand anything ABC of the engineering. But whatever I said, he started behaving the same way. Every evening he comes, sir, आज हमें ये पढ़ाया. Now the teacher, after 3-4 days, again he came to me. अरे यार ये लड़का क्या हो गया, पागल हो गया क्या? मैं बोला क्या हुआ सर? अरे वो ऐसे एबनॉर्मल बिहेव कर रहा है. मैं बोला एबनॉर्मलिटी क्या है? वो क्लास में चुपचाप बैठा रहता है, पहले मारता था इसको, उसको पंच करता था, क्लास डिस्टर्ब करता था, अब आजकल जाके चुप बुद्धू जैसा बैठा रहता है. Then मैं पूछा टीचर को कि what exactly you want? He is controlling his own aggression. Who? The teacher. I said it is you to control your own aggression. You must know what is going on in the back of the mind. Why is impulsive? Why is doing all misbehavior in the class? So the anger, confusion, discomfort, fear, overstimulation, and tiredness can lead to the aggressive reaction. So this all happens. It is an abnormal, unprovoked or reactive behavior. Suppose you just give a pinch, I'll react. If I'm unable to control myself, I'll react. So this aggressive behavior can lead to an academic, employment, financial, legal, and relationship problem. So this type of aggression, you can feel it every day. It is happening in our own family also, in our employment or in our profession or college. The financial aspect also we are losing ego, बीच में लाके. So these are the examples or the signs and symptoms of your aggression. One thing I'm just telling you, when we become aggressive, छोटा बच्चे के ऊपर मम्मी पापा गुस्सा कर रहे हैं, how does it matter to her? You are actually spoiling your own precious time. The best way is just avoid the situation. उस situation को avoid करो. Because they make you feel anxious, trouble concentrating. The moment you will be aggressive, then you cannot really concentrate. Feeling of that things have to be done in a specific way or else something bad is going to happen. वो काम ऐसा नहीं करने से कुछ और होगा. Fear about irrational things or situation, chest pain, heart palpitation, trouble in breathing, frequent headaches, irritability in behavior. These situations, the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, up to 9 points, the situation is like this. If I shout and abuse on you, then aggressive behavior will come up always in your mind. the central nervous system, the brain will give an impulse to the body that this person is harming me, or he will harm me. Automatically the breathing and the chest palpitation will go up. You'll start breathing like then at the same time your behavior will be irritability, चिड़चिड़ापन आ जाएगा, सर दर्द शुरू हो जाएगा, रात को सो भी नहीं सकते आप, मेंटली आप टायर्ड हो जाएंगे, मसल टेंशन में रहेंगे, टाइट हो जाएगा, यू कैन नॉट डू एनी करेक्ट मूवमेंट, डिजीनेस रहेगा, एंड देयर विल बी स्वेटिंग, आपका पसीना पसीना हो जाएंगे. सो दीज आर द रियल सिम्टम ऑफ योर एग्रेशन. और ये सारे एग्रेशन को दूर करने के लिए प्रिवेंट कैसे कर सकते हैं? एक्सपेक्टेशन लेवल और द एम, बिल्ड अ रैपोर्ट एंड बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, शो कल्चरल सेंसिटिविटी. हम लोग कल्चर को अपना भूल रहे हैं, अमेरिकन कल्चर को अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं या यूरोपियन कल्चर को. देयर इज नो एनी कल्चर एट ऑल. अवॉइड नेगेटिव टॉक एंड डिस्कशन. This is very, very important. Don't discuss of any negativity because it actually occupies a lot of time from your good thought process. Don't assume or make judgment. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, मेरे को पता है वो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर इतना ही देगा. Why you are taking your own judgment? Suppose you are a teacher, you are a student, let the teacher to judge whatever he or she feels. It is his headache, not your headache. You have given a presentation, whether it is good or bad, it is the judge's problem, not your problem. Be encouraging. Always encourage yourself and the society. Avoid power struggle. Headship के लिए मत लड़ो. It will come automatically. Manage problems. You must know how to manage problem. Then if you cannot really manage the problem, then always you will be under anxiety, which is nothing but the nervousness, unease, or worry about the typical occurs in the absence of an imminent threat. पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, anxiety में हूं मैं. So the symptoms include your feeling of the nervousness, panic and fear of, which leads to your sweating, rapid heartbeat, irritability, sleeplessness, sleep disturbance. Everything will come automatically with the gift of anxiety. So if it continues, if it is from the genetic or the environmental factors, then a person will develop an anxiety disorder. हमेशा कुछ लोग एंजाइटी में ही रहता है, पता नहीं मेरा क्या हो जाएगा, पता नहीं मेरा ये क्या हो जाएगा, मेरा बेटा क्या कर रहा है, मेरा बेटी खाना नहीं खाया, मेरी बीवी ये हो गया, मेरा वैसा ऐसा हो जाएगा. अरे व्हाई? इससे क्या आपका कुछ डेवलप हो रहा है बाय थिंकिंग ऑल दिस? नो. सो द एंजाइटी disorder occur more often in women. This is very important para. Those who are women, they are having more anxiety disorder than men. Not always. Try to understand, it is not for all the females because of the hormone testosterone. Because it may come from women's hormone, especially those that fluctuate throughout the month, because the hormonal changes in the 30 days cycle of your menstruation takes place. So the mood swing, the anxiety level, it keeps on changing. It is very natural. And being a family person or the males, they should understand that at this time, these certain changes will take place. So if you are having sufficient testosterone, then those persons are having less anxiety. Male hormone अगर आपका कम है तो definitely you will be under anxiety. जब एंजाइटी होगा कंटिन्यूसली, देन यू विल सफर फ्रॉम द वर्ड कॉल्ड डिप्रेशन। क्या हो गया? मेरा बेटा डिप्रेशन में आ गया। अरे डिप्रेशन होता क्या है? बेटे का डिप्रेशन, उसने दुनियादारी देखा ही नहीं। सो डिप्रेशन इज अ मूड डिसऑर्डर दैट कॉजेस persistent feeling of sadness, दुखी आत्मा, and loss of interest, and you lose the interest. So this depression is how you feel, think and behave. मैं अपने बच्चों को लेके जब बाहर जाता हूं तो मैं जहां पे क्वाड्रेंगल है, अपने नॉट क्वाड्रेंगल, क्रॉसिंग होता है, रोड क्रॉसिंग, वहां पे भिखारी लोगों को मैं दिखाता हूं कि देख इनके पास कपड़ा नहीं है, एंड दे आर रनिंग आफ्टर। क्या करना चाहिए? पैसा देना चाहिए, नहीं देना चाहिए? देन माय चिल्ड्रन दे स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग, एट टाइम्स दे से नहीं देना चाहिए। मैं बोलता हूं देन वी आर डेवलपिंग ए हैबिट ऑफ बेगर, इन लोगों को भिखारी बना के रखेंगे हम। लेकिन मेरा बैक ऑफ द माइंड क्या चलता था? मैं इसलिए टीच करता था कि तुम उसको देखो, देख के उसके इमोशनल एस्पेक्ट पे लो। फिजिकल इश्यूज है तो मान सकता हूं, बीमार हो गया, हाथ में टूट गया, मैं डिप्रेशन में गया, फाइन। जब आप अपना लेवल से नीचे की लेवल को देखेंगे, वेन एवर यू लुक टूवर्ड्स द डाउन लेवल फ्रॉम योर स्टेटस टू लो स्टेटस, then this depression word will not come to your mind, your heart or anywhere in earth. डिप्रेशन इसलिए है, पड़ोसी के पास बहुत बड़ा गाड़ी है, मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है, उन लोग 4 लोग नौकरी करते हैं, मैं अकेला नौकरी करता हूं। अरे इसलिए कॉज ऑफ द डिप्रेशन। सो डिप्रेशन कैन बी अवॉइडेड विद इंटरेक्शन ऑफ द सोशल पीपल के साथ। अगर अपने फैमिली के साथ, अगर तुम फैमिली का अगर हिस्ट्री है डिप्रेशन का, इट मे हैपन। देन द जेनेटिकल फीचर्स, चेंज इन द ब्रेन्स न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर लेवल, द केमिकल्स which are present in the brain, environmental factor, personality, medication, drugs, alcohol, illness and health issues, psychological and sociological factors, these can be the causes of depression. But again and again I am telling you, if you are mentally tough, earlier I told you, if you are mentally tough, if your mental toughness qualities are there, you can bounce back from that particular situation. That is important. It is not important that I am under depression and I need some tablet. And do you know what the tablet actually does? Whenever you take any painkiller or antidepressant tablet, after consuming, it go and suppresses your brain activity. The parasympathetic drive will go up, the sympathetic drive will go down. It will be suppressed. Then automatically the parasympathetic will take the upper hand. When the parasympathetic drive will take the upper hand, what will happen? You will feel drowsiness, pata nahi mujhe theek hai, soye pade, something like that. You sleep and you will live a sedentary life. This is not the solution. Sign and symptom of depression already we have been discussing. Last but not the least is thoughts of death or suicide also comes. You'll be troubled with so many things. You find that every window is closed, every door is shut for you. You cannot think, you cannot concentrate, you cannot take any decision. You feel worthless or guilty. Then what do you do? And you feel that there is no purpose in this life. ऐसा सबके साथ होता है. You are not the lonely person. So ultimately what one does, they think for the death or suicide. Very fantastic. Those who commit suicide, I treat them as a criminal of this earth. Why? The example of my children I have given you. Show them the bottom people. If you show the rich people or the qualified people, they may have a depression. But if you show them, then they will not come to a depression. उनको खाना जो भी मिलता है वही खाता है, रास्ते के किनारे जिन लोग जी रहे हैं. So you must educate. Being a teacher, first educate your family, then educate the society and the students. Means and ways to avoid depression. This is important. Even this is again Avni's pick only. She also suffered a lot of depression at times, maybe in a single shot. The last shot was very bad and I am under depression. I don't know whether I will repeat the same or not. So for this reason, she used to exercise regularly, took proper nutritional diet in time. Social media, she cut, and build a strong relationship, minimize your daily choice. The daily choices should not be very fluctuating. It has to minimize, reduce the stress, get plenty of sleep, get away from the negative or the toxic people. When I say toxic people, those people, they will not leave you to lead the life. What happens? I consider this particular game, this shooting and the archery is most precise game. A flicker of a second, a fraction of a second, the result will be something else. So if a negative or the toxic people gives you a simple impulse to your brain or the mind, your thought process will be somewhere else and you will shoot anywhere. So with this, we come to a stress. If it is there, if you cannot control, then the stress will be there. And I don't believe that the stress need to be explained. It is a physical, emotional, or the psychological strain. The stress hormone, the adrenaline, noradrenaline, or the cortisol, and the dopamine is a feel-good hormone. So you must understand which hormone you need to really secrete from your pituitary gland. So this unpleasant emotional experiences, which is accompanied with the predictable biochemical, physiological, and the behavioral changes, that brings to the stress. हम लोग स्ट्रेस भगाने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ तौर तरीका अपनाते हैं. But mind it, in the body or in the mood or in behavior, these are the changes you can find in on body: headache, chest pain, then muscle pain, fatigue, change in the sex drive. You don't feel like even to have sex also. The stomach upset. These are on the body part. On the mood, you will be anxiety, restlessness, lack of motivation, feeling overwhelmed, irritability or anger, sadness or depression. On the behavior, either you will not eat or you can go for overeating. Angry outbursts, the drug or alcohol misuse, use tobacco, those who are taking drugs, then the social withdrawal, exercising less often. So these are the common symptoms or the effects which you can find. And the sign and symptom, the cognitive symptom, already I told, you know the cognitive symptom, it is the memory problems. And the emotional problems, symptom, physical symptoms will be there, then the behavioral symptoms will be also there. So if they are doing, if any stress people are doing this type of behavior or the symptoms, it is very ordinary thing. कुछ लोग आते हैं डिप्रेशन में रहते हैं. Yesterday I met with a guy who is suffering from a discipline committee. He is having a lot of trouble in his own home. You know, if I don't give a support to him, the dean says that he'll be penalized. I said, yes, you should. But at the same time, I have to make him strong that you accept the penalty or the discipline action because you have violated it. So that strength I am just giving, so he can really overcome that stress. So if you don't know how to manage the stress in your life, then it will increase the blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, digestive problem, mental problem, what not, everything. So ultimately the stress is the bundle of pressure which we carry without solving the things. You must be very careful how to really manage your health. Health is a human machine. It's a biological machine which needs exercise, its services in the form of exercise, then managing all the stressful things and having all the 5 to 6 qualities, that is physical, mental, social, emotional, every level you should be well. If not, then you need a stress management. So stress management tips, there are a lot of tips you can also come across, but what I can tell you, the only thing is you have to come out of your own home. You have to come out from the own comfort zone. That is the most important thing. If you don't come out from the own comfort zone, you will not realize the stress and how to handle the stress. When you complain, you make yourself the victim. मेरा ये साथ ये हुआ, मेरा साथ वो हुआ, उससे होगा क्या? कुछ नहीं. What is the stress management? Exercise regularly. This is the prescription. Eat healthy diet. Sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours, maybe 6 to 8 hours. Then practice relaxation. Express yourself and refrain. So this is when the stress will not be there. You can see on your left hand side the way you will begin the day. Today I am feeling confident. आज मेरे को मजा आ रहा है, मैं confident हूँ, आज कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ मैं. I have a positive attitude. मेरा एटीट्यूड भी बिल्कुल पॉजिटिव है, मैं ये काम आज करके ही रखूंगा. आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड, मैं डर नहीं रहा हूं. आई कैन अचीव, आई कैन एक्सपीरियंस हायर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. आई फील आई एम इन कंट्रोल, आई एम रिलैक्स्ड. देन डेफिनेटली I perform better. You can really perform much better. If not, then you will start from the top. Start from here on the right hand side. Today I am not feeling confident. I am not feeling confident today. I start getting negative about all sorts of things. ऐसा लग रहा है सब कुछ negative ही होगा. I start doubting my ability. That is, you are already down. I experience loss of control. Immediately, you will lose the control. If you lose the control, then you will be less confident, will be tensed, become tight in my play or activity. कुछ भी काम करेंगे उस पर tightness feel होगा. जब झगड़ा करते हैं, negative frame of mind, क्या you give a good punch? No. So the thing gets worse. So you have to come up from this frame. We have to be a little positive. Don't bring all those things into your mind. So what we need to have the physical fitness. And you know that the whole world is after the physical fitness. It is the capacity to do the daily work without undue fatigue. So if you are capable to carry out the daily task without any tiredness of fatigue, with a proper nutrition and sufficient rest and sleep, then you are really physically fit and the benefits are enormous. सारे डॉक्टर बोलते हैं कि do some fitness work, but you know what does they mean? They don't know the intensity, duration or the frequency of any exercise. They ask you to walk. आप आधा घंटा walk कीजिए. Suppose you walk for 5 kilometers and you are weighing 60 kilo body weight. Each kilometer you'll be spending only 60 kilocalorie. So in this way, maybe you'll be losing 300 kilocalorie. But if you consume 2 cups of tea, it contains almost 400 kilocalorie. So you have to avoid the sugar intake also. So for that, what we need, the physical or the health related fitness. Here it is fitness, health related. Cardiovascular fitness, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility and body composition. All the 5 components has to be taken care of very, very seriously. In cardiovascular fitness, we go for the long distance walking, running, which continues for 20 minutes minimum to 40 minutes or even more. Even if we are walking for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, we are running, jogging, walking, it will not have any impact on your body, because after 20 minutes of your cardio activity, your fat will burn. Fat will start burning through beta oxidation. So the frequency may be 3 to 5 days per week and the intensity can be 140 to 160 heartbeats per minute. And if you're taking strength, if you go to the gym and start doing exercise, if you can lift 10 kilo, please lift 3 to 5 kilo weight and start the exercises. Repetition can be 18 to 20 times or even more. It depends on how much weight you are lifting. And the recovery may be 3 to 5 minutes. But unless until there is a trainer, there is an expert, please don't do this type of strength training, because the withdrawal of the people from the gym is much, much higher than those who are working in any gym. And the flexibility. On the right hand side, she's my daughter when she was very young. You can see she can bend and can touch her feet on her head. And in the middle, he is a national champion again in his own category. He is a para athlete. So if we want to go for any flexibility development, and why flexibility? If you don't have the flexibility, then definitely the muscle will cramp. It will be painful if you do any sort of work. Even if you are sitting in front of me, the body ache or the back ache will be there. So before doing this flexibility exercises, for any exercises, do some warm up to raise the body temperature by 1 to 1.5 degrees centigrade. Maybe in this winter season in the northern India, it will take not less than 15 to 20 minutes of warm up. Then you can go for the stretching exercises, unless until you are doing some yoga asana. So stretch and hold method I suggest is the best, and you should hold at least 15 to 60 seconds per group of muscle. Suppose these boys and girls are doing. So this position you have to maintain and hold it for quite some time. And the next one is your body composition. हम लोग बोलते हैं हम लोग बहुत अच्छा खाना खा रहे हैं, homemade food. Unless until it is a balanced diet, giving sufficient calories, protein, vitamin, minerals, and nutrients required, it is not a good diet. Body composition is used to describe the percentage of fat, bone, water, and human muscles and the bodies. So if you need energy, from where it comes from the food, if not burning the fat, and lately by burning the muscle tissues. So the average kilocalorie in India, the rural people needs average, I'm telling, 2400 kilocalorie, And those who are in the city, if you are not leading a sedentary life, you need 2100 kilocalories per day. This is estimate given in the Google Babaji. So it is not my submission, it is the data came from that Google. So there is an energy balance equation which you must know. हम लोग बोलते हैं हम पतले कैसे होंगे जब एनर्जी बैलेंस इक्वल टू एनर्जी इनपुट माइनस एनर्जी आउटपुट, कितना हम खा रहे हैं और कितना वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं, कितना डिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, कितना एनर्जी आउटपुट निकाल रहे हैं, दैट विल बी बैलेंसिंग. अगर आपको पतला होना है तो आपका एनर्जी इनपुट विल बी लेस, एनर्जी आउटपुट विल बी मोर, तो आपको एक्टिविटी ज्यादा करना है. इफ नॉट उल्टा हो जाएगा. अब मेंटेन करना है, then it is like a seesaw, you can balance it. And the balanced diet, everything consists of the balanced diet, you can see. And a diet chart, I prepared it. You'll be having it maybe after this class, you'll get a copy. So in the morning, before doing any activity, you should take, before breakfast, before practice, you should take little sprouts, maybe banana, maybe detox water. Then in the breakfast again you can consume all those things. So this 3 chart I prepared it, which is very, very important. I don't know whether you will go through or not, but if you follow it in the night, you should take a cup of or a glass of milk or a lukewarm water with turmeric powder, with khajur, it's dates, kishmish is resins, or maybe any sweet things. Even the jaggery is perfectly all right, good. So with this, you will be getting almost 2100 kilocalorie of balanced diet, which is really good for your children even, or to the students. You can share. There is no any issue. Then there is called a recovery technique. आप लोग निश्चित रूप से बहुत ज्यादा फोकस करके टेंशन में आ गए, स्ट्रेस हो गया बॉडी. सो आई थिंक दोज हु आर सिटिंग इन द ऑफिस, या यू कैन सिट इन अ कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन. If the temperature is cool, then it is fine. If not, then you can even remove the shoes, chappals, and take a very comfortable position. This will be absolutely a practical session. आप लोग ने मेडिटेशन किया होगा या सुना होगा, but there are lots of recovery techniques available in the market called active recovery, the sportsman does. Passive recovery, again the sportsman does. In active recovery, the individual, he himself recover, and the passive, the other people, they get recovered. But I'll be taking only the psychological recovery technique, that is it will be a practical session. So in this practical session, you might have come across the word called Yog Nidra. So please take a position, a comfort position, any position. Even if you are at home, I don't mind that if you lie on your bed. आप लेट भी सकते हैं, or else you have to sit absolutely in, all the joints should be at 90-degree perpendicular. The knee should be flexed at 90-degree angle, hip 90-degree angle, from the top to hip should be perpendicular. Keep your arms by the side of your body. If there is a armrest, keep the hands on the armrest and the palm facing the sky or the roof. आप अपना लेट जाइए, लेट के हथेली को by the side of the body आप रखिए. Let the body in a very comfort position. AICT is spending a lot of money, and I'm really happy that at least they have realized that in this Atal courses, they should keep one session for stress or health or whatever you say. It is ultimately the health concept. To keep yourself healthy. If you don't take it seriously, I think everything you can study. Now, please close your eyes. आंखें बंद कर लीजिए और जो भी बात हम आपको बोलेंगे उन सारी बातों को आप मेंटली दोहराएंगे नहीं, आप करेंगे, प्रैक्टिकली आप करेंगे मेंटली. Whatever the directives I'll be telling you, you'll follow the same. Mentally, if I ask you to lift your arms up, you'll try to lift and imagine that you have lifted your arm in the air. That imagination should be there. आपको काल्पनिक रूप से आपको करना है. आपका movement नहीं होगा. There will not be any single movement. Now imagine that you are lying by the side of the beautiful lake. Imagine you are lying or you are sitting by the side of the beautiful slide which I have shown you of a beautiful lake, or you can imagine any lake. Take few deep breath, deep and shallow breath. It should not be quick breath, but take slow but shallow deep breath. लंबी लंबी आप सांसें लें, जल्दीबाजी नहीं करनी है. जब आप सांस ले रहे हैं, फिल द ऑक्सीजन. सांस नाक में से होते हुए, गले में से होते हुए आपके लंग्स और आपका पेट का जो मूवमेंट है उस पर आप ध्यान लगाएं. Have the feeling that the moment you are inhaling, the oxygen is going through the nose to the neck, to your abdomen, and it is being exhaled out in the reverse process. Speak to yourself that you are relaxing. Give an impulse to your mind and the body will act accordingly, that you are in a state of relaxation. आप relaxation state पे हैं and you are doing this Yoga Nidra practice to release the stress which you have accumulated in the day. Speak. Every time you just speak to yourself, I am relaxed. Now check your forehead. Whenever we see our face in the mirror, similarly, you check your forehead. अपना कपाल को देखें. Try to put a light, a beam, a red beam of light over your forehead. आपके कपाल के ऊपर एक बीम लाइट पड़ा हुआ है. Then take the light on the right eyebrow. Check the eyebrow as if you are drawing a figure. The left eyebrow, the right eye, the left eye, both the eyes. Squeeze the eyes physically. and release. Again squeeze it and release. In each squeezing, जैसे आंखों को जोर से आप बंद करते हैं वैसा स्क्वीज करना है, पर सब कुछ मेंटली करेंगे आप एंड रिलैक्स करेंगे. Now take the beam of light on your nose, on the right nostril, the left nostril, the cheek, the right cheek, gall, the inner gall, the left cheek, the right ear, the left ear, the right side completely relaxed. Fill the right side of the face, left side of the face, your upper lip, lower lip, the chin, and the complete face. पूरा सर आगे से पीछे से चारों तरफ से feel it that it is getting heavier and heavier. बहुत ज्यादा भारीपन महसूस हो रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब it is too heavy. Those who are sitting as if the head is about to fall, सिर गिरने के कागार पे आ गए. Now take the beam of light on your neck, front part of your neck, the back part of your neck, the right shoulder, the right upper arm, the forearm, the wrist joint, and all the fingers. Now try to lift the right arm. Mentally आप उठाने की कोशिश करें, पर उठाना नहीं है. You try to lift it up, which you cannot, because it is getting heavier and heavier. Now concentrate on your left shoulder. The left upper arm, the elbow joint, the forearm, the wrist joint, all the fingers. Try to see the arm, आपके हाथ कैसा है वो आप पूरा देखें. Now please stop in the behind, mute your mic. Now focus, try to lift your arm up, हाथ को उठाने की कोशिश करें, but you now take that focus on your right chest, left chest, the whole abdomen and the back. Feel that the upper body is absolutely relaxed. You are relaxed. Mentally, you are so happy that you are relaxing yourself, and it is an enjoyable session. Now concentrate on your right hip joint, the left hip joint, the right thigh, the knee, the calf, right ankle, and the feet. feel the heaviness and relaxed. Now concentrate on your left thigh, the knee joint, the calf, the ankle, and the whole complete fit. The left leg is getting heavier and heavier, and your body is so heavy that your senses are unable to really control your body posture. Feel relaxed, absolutely relaxed, and remain in this position. आप इसी अवस्था में रहिए जब तक कि मैं दोबारा कुछ नहीं बोलता हूं. Please keep your eyes closed till I give the next command. मैं जब तक कुछ नहीं बोलता हूं तब तक आप इसी पोजीशन पे रहें. Speak to yourself that you are relaxed and check your whole body parts one after another. You'll find that you are relaxed. Body will be without any stress. हिंदी में जो बेजान कहते हैं, शरीर में कोई ताकत नहीं होगा. There is no any stress, any thoughts. Thoughts कुछ भी अगर आ रहा है तो उसको आने दो, but you should enjoy the relaxation. Whatever I said, don't stop any incoming thoughts. कोई भी चिंतन आ रहा है उसके बारे में एनालाइज ना करें और आप इसी अवस्था में रहे. Maintain the position without giving a second thought on the incoming impulses or the thoughts. Now you'll be doing everything physically. Rub your palm and keep it on your face. The only reason is by keeping the eyes closed, the eyelids and the eye muscles are getting less blood. So just to give a hot feeling so that the blood circulation will be more. Rub twice, thrice, just rub your palm, चेहरे पे लगाएं आप, and slowly, slowly. Those who are sleeping, take a side turn, any side turn, and you can open your eyes and can sit down in front of the computer. So thank you. This is what called Yog Nidra, and the simple, if you practice this quality life, make a good start of your day with gratitude. भगवान को धन्यवाद करके आप उठे. Whenever you do anything, be scientific, systematic, planned, and organized. Include exercise, as I told you, balanced diet, already I told, and water. Connect with the nature and friendship. एक घर में गमला जरूर लगाएं. A flower pot should be there at your home, at least one. And see the beauty. Every morning you can find there is something different, because the blossoms will come up. Healthy habits: go to the bed as early as possible. Practice yoga, pranayam or meditation. Create space for me time. अपने लिए कुछ समय आप जरूर रखें. That is for your health. Avoid frequent multitasking work. एक काम एक बार में करें. Don't do so many things together. Avoid too much exposure to the social media, and practice humanity with love. And thank you, Center for Electronic Governance Rajasthan, who has given me this opportunity. I'm really blessed, and I don't know how far I could reach to your participants. And all the participants, please try to understand one thing, that being a teacher, to teach a teacher is really a tough job. I don't know how far I've come across, and if I have touched anything, if you have any questions, you can ask. Feel free, and please unmute whosoever he or she wish to speak. किसी को भी अगर कुछ बोलना है तो they can unmute their mic and can really speak.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, Kiran.
Thank you for your valuable guidance. So my question is that, sir, do you know any specific exercise for eyesight improvement?
Perfect. It is there.
Hello, sir.
There are lots of eye exercises. If you happen to see these yogis, I can show you some eye exercises. If you are interested, if the participants don't mind, then keep the thumb in front of your eyes, eye level. If I can show you on the side also, if it, I am visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now keep the eyes on the thumb only. Bring it close to your nose as slow as possible, but your eyebrows will be over here only, and then take it away. Right? This is one. And the second one is from here, you just take up and bring it down. This is number 2. Number 3 is you take to the side as far as possible. आपको जहां तक दिखाई देता है peripheral view से, तो आई जो रेटिना है वो राइट साइड की ओर जाएगा. And then same thing you can do it on the left side. Then you can go for a circular. The last one, you can bring it close and hold it for quite a long time. And after every exercise, you just squeeze your eyes. आंखें को इस तरह से टाइट करके बंद करना है, खोलना है, टाइट करके बंद करना है, खोलना है. And use more amount of cold water. Eye flash कीजिए. With these few exercises, I'm very sure at least the eyes will not deteriorate.
Thank you, sir. This is really unique and good, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir. Any more question? I think, as usual, the students are also keep mum. The teachers are also mum. So anyway, fine. I don't mind.
Sir,
Yeah.
one more question.
Yeah, please, welcome.
Sir, sometimes my mother get giddiness. So for that, what she can do?
See, giddiness, the reason can be many. What is the actual cause of the giddiness? That has to be find it out. Right?
Okay.
Maybe she's over anxiety she's suffering from. तो उनके साथ एक
Sir, it is because of blood pressure.
maybe high blood pressure. Why? High blood pressure will happen only when there is a pressure, when there is a stress on the brain or so called the mind. उनको वॉक में ले जाइए, बाहर ले जाइए, उनको हंसाइए, हंसने के लिए बोलिए, उनका ग्रैंडचिल्ड्रन के साथ
she is not in a condition to move.
Fine, then make her laugh on the bed itself.
Okay.
वहां पे उनको हंसाने की कोशिश कीजिए. अभी बोल रहे हैं, एक छोटा सा मैं एग्जांपल बोलता हूं कि मम्मी आपने, एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं, मम्मी आपने लंबा बारिश कब देखा? तो मम्मी बोलेगी हमने लंबा बारिश देखा 5 दिन. तो उनको उसने में बोलिए कि 5 दिन तो बारिश हो नहीं सकता एक साथ. तो बोलेंगे क्यों नहीं हो सकता? फिर बोलिए कि नहीं 2 दिन बारिश हो सकता है, कि नहीं हो सकता है, 2 दिन बारिश भी नहीं हो सकता है. तो बोलेंगे क्यों? इन्वॉल्व कीजिए उनको कि उसमें तो रात भी तो होगा एक. तो शी विल स्टार्ट लाफिंग, शी विल रिलीज द इमोशन. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, स्ट्रेस हार्मोन को डेवलप कर लेते हैं और फिर गिडनेस आएगा ही आएगा. कुछ खाने का दिल नहीं करेगा, पता नहीं मेरा ये प्रेशर वो प्रेशर. सो इट्स बेटर कि उनके साथ क्वालिटी टाइम, आप जब क्वालिटी टाइम देंगे. मैं किसी प्रोफेसर के घर गया, मेरे को टेलीफोन किया, शुभ्र जी आप आओ. मैं गया, हिज फेस वाज लाइक श्रिंक्ड, एकदम चेहरा श्रिंक पड़ा हुआ है. बोल रहे ऑल ऑफ अ सडन बात करते ऑलमोस्ट आफ्टर एन आवर ही स्टार्टेड लाफिंग, स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग. फिर मेरे को बोल रहा है नहीं आप लड्डू खाओ, ये खाओ, वो खाओ, आइसक्रीम लाओ, सर इतने दिन बाद आया, ये खिलाओ वो खिलाओ. आई स्टार्टेड अमेजिंग. मैं बोला अभी आपको कैसा लग रहा है? बोलता मैं पूरा फ्री हो गया हूं, अभी मेरे को किसी के घर दावत खाने जाना है. बेटा को बोल रहा है तू कपड़ा पहन चलना है. अर्लियर ही वाज सेइंग कि नहीं मेरे को जाना नहीं है, मैं टेंशन में हूं. सो द थॉट प्रोसेस, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक ओल्ड पीपल को टैबलेट के भरोसे छोड़ देते हैं. समझ रहे मैडम, अनिता मैम?
सर वेरी ट्रू.
तो हम लोग टैबलेट के भरोसे नहीं, आपके वर्बल टॉनिक दीजिए तो मम्मी का डिप्रेशन आएगा ही नहीं. लेट हर टू इन्वॉल्व. जो भी काम करने का अच्छा लगता है, अच्छा आप ये खाने में अच्छा लगता है, चलो खाओ. क्या होगा खाने से? कुछ नहीं होगा. हम लोग रिजेक्ट करके अगर एक्सेप्ट करते हैं देन इट इज अ प्रॉब्लम. और बच्चों के साथ, छोटे बच्चों के साथ उनका इंटरेक्शन कराइए, उनको बोलिए कि स्टोरी सुनाओ बच्चों को, और बच्चों को बोलो कि जो किताब में पढ़ा उसको मम्मी को सुनाओ. सुनना पड़ेगा एक जन दूसरे को. सो दैट इज अ क्वालिटी टाइम. इन दैट वे आई कैन एश्योर यू वो डेवलप हो जाएंगे अलग. इवन मैं जो व्हील चेयर वालों के साथ ट्रेन करता हूं, दे कैनॉट मूव, उन लोग का भी कंडीशन ऐसा ही है, बट वी हैव टू ड्रैग देम आउट. व्हील चेयर में बैठाइए, बाहर ले जाइए, बरामदा में बैठा के रखिए, ग्रीनरी देखने दीजिए, हवा को देखने दीजिए. बिस्तर पे लेटा के रखने से ही प्रॉब्लम है. ट्राई दिस. आई होप थिंग्स विल टेक ए गुड शेप and wishes for a good recovery for her.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome. Anyone, any question please? किसी का और कोई सवाल है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. I think Mathur sir.
Sir, yes sir. Okay sir. Any questions? Any question? Any koi suggestions?
Yeah, any suggestion? The
Okay,
only
sir.
suggestion is to fit. That's all.
Yes.
That's a single mantra.